Do you want to make this map animation in Canva? Let's learn how to do it. Open Canva and click on video. Then click on landscape video. Now click on apps. Then search for map video. Now open the map video app. Set the video duration as per your need. Then choose your preferred plane icon. Here we need to select our from country. Also select the destination country. Mark Add Text checkbox to show country name on the map and click on Create Video. It will take few seconds to generate the video. Now our video is ready. Click on Add to Design. Adjust the size of the video to fit the canvas. Now click here and then click on Done to match the video length. Now your video is ready. If you want to learn more this type of tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.